Hold up.
I wish I had some weed. I had to do that again.
Yeah, do not. It was way funnier the first time.
Yo, is this A-Town Adventures now?
I mean, I don't have that much
Alley-Town Adventure?
that member on my jack to make a full Alley-Town adventure.
I have family members that live in Boston and Salem.
That's what time it is.
It's boner time.
Stop it,
Well,
did you just have your elbow here?
What up?
Yo, get
Now you're not
flexi
saying a
over.
word.
yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Bull flab.
That's you. What's so funny?
He said, what happened?
Like at that time.
Alright. You gonna finish that shrink?
Yeah, but when I'm done, you can refill it.
Let me just get a sip.
Oh, sip, yeah.
Mine's fighting.
It's like how we all like
I thought you were taking a video of you drinking.
Why not? Hey, how do you do that? Word up.
Squirto.
Squirtle? War Turtle? Tyrannosaurus flab?
Oh my god.
Flabatar. Unidentified flying flab.
Oh, he's dying. Wait, what'd you say? A flabatar?
Flabatar.
I'm the flabatar. He like starts bending his flab.
That's how he evolves. He pulls his flab over the top of him and hatches.
Yeah, right.
Grows an extra couple bones.
Buzz flab you.
Buzz flab you.
Or
Flab
or
like
Fiddler.
Flab like you.
Flabber.
Flab
Like
like you.
Hitler, if he has like the mustache.
Flabachew. A flab to remember.
what are you doing?
We're flabbing over here, dude.
Courage the Cowardly.
When's a flab?
When's a flab? Taco flab?
Courage the Cowardly flab.
A ski flab.
A ski boy.
Yeah.
Courage the Cowardly. I'm not gonna be able to eat it all. He's like, snack. It's good stuff.
I never came to Taco Bell before. It's my first tacos, so like I was always told not to eat here. Just saying.
Guess what you're gonna do it.
I don't trust it. So improperly made, like the paper was unraveled already. Look, dude, that lettuce is brown and it's next to some black shit.
Yo, calm down.
Dude,
Stop being such a critic.
Stop being such a snag.
I'm gonna just take all that inside stuff out and eat that piece of bread.
No.
I'm joking.